To add a new service in the system, first log into the admin panel and click on the Services option. A new tab will open. You'll see the option to add service. When you click on it, you'll be asked to enter details of the service. Start with the service name, for example, Outpatient Department, and if required, you can also enter the name in another language. Next, you can add a short acronym, like OPD, which makes it easier for both staff and customers to identify the service quickly. Then, select the appropriate location from the drop-down menu. For better visual representation, you also have the option to upload an image related to the service. If needed, you can also add a description or service notes explaining the service in more detail. Once all this is filled in, just click on Create, and your new service will be added to the Services section. The system also lets you build a structure of services with sub-services. For example, under Outpatient Department, you might want to add gynecology or pediatrics. To do this, go to Level 2, click on Add Service, select the parent service, OPD in this case, enter the new sub-service details in the same way, and click Create to save it. From the customer's perspective, the experience is simple and hassle-free. When they arrive at your location, they can check in either through a direct link, a self-service kiosk, or by scanning a QR code on site. On the first screen, they'll see the list of all the services you've created, and once they tap on a service for now, Outpatient Department, then related sub-services will be displayed. The customer just chooses the one they need, and the system instantly generates a ticket for them, making the whole process smooth, fast, and organized. This is how the services are added in the system and seamlessly used by customers.